What's good, Car Crew? It's your boy Car Beats, man, back with a nighttime POV. As you can see, we are on the grind right now. We're on a mission. But right now, man, we're finna pull up to a gas station, trying to see which one I want to pull up to. I'm gonna pull up to this one because their lights look a little funky. They're not white. They look like yellowish white. And I know they're not the tint because I don't have tint on my windshield. See how they look yellow? And they're not the camera, like they real life look warm. Oh, so we finna, you know what I'm saying, just pull up, get a few little shots. You know what I'm saying? A few little shots of the whip. Y'all boy hit the engine, make y'all boys a rev or two. Just doing all kind of little videos, bro, man. I'm getting back in my bag, and this pump don't even work. So that's perfect. I ain't gotta worry about nobody saying I'm taking up space, because this pump taking up space. It don't work. Oh yeah, man, make sure y'all boy hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. You know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. Let y'all boys see the outside of the whip of Scarlett, you know what I'm saying? And I got Scarlett on that pack, you know what I'm saying? She on that loud, you know what I'm saying? She on that loud right now, you know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all boy heard that, Oh, y'all boy hear that thing. Talking, cuz. Now my partner want to call me back. Don't call me back now, nigga. Now I'm working now, nigga. You missing out. I'm trying to get you on the cam, nigga, but you know what I'm saying? It's alright though. Nigga gonna learn one day. You know who I'm talking to. Cause he know I'm gonna call him back and tell him. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see what's going on, man. We on that sticky icky with the tie shine. You know what I'm saying? Sticky icky with the tie shine, bro. Get right with me. Y'all think this should be the thumbnail? It might just be. But come on, man. I see how it going, though. Come on, man. Sunroof pop, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. I can't tell me Scarlett ain't looking scrumptious. Shout out to Tree. Feel me? Shout out that boy Tree, man. I'm liking the lighting on the camera, though. Y'all can't tell me that it ain't tough. Come on, man. So have I ever popped the hood for y'all, boy? I don't think I have. You know what I'm saying? This is the only time y'all gonna see it. I ain't popping my hood no more. Nobody gonna ever see up under my hood once I get how I'm finna get. You know what I'm saying? You can take it how you want. I say that. Telling y'all boys ain't gonna want to meet with me after, you know what I'm saying? After this, y'all can see it now. Ain't nothing in here. You feel me? Stop pulling. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I don't know why that old head put that on there. I don't know why the old head put that on there, but it's a Flowmaster 2-piece and tape, and it's loose. You know what I'm saying? That mother loose, so it ain't even really fully performing how it's supposed to. So what now? Oh yeah, appreciate that. Hey man, OG said that thing sound like how it's supposed to sound. I forgot I was recording. I said I ain't want to just put the camera in your face. But yeah, man, you see what I'm saying? Ain't nothing going on right now, but y'all boys just, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. I hate how the hood closed too. You gotta slam that bitch just like that, cause whoever put it back on after they painted it, did not put it back on right. Turn that lighting back how it was. Feel me? But yeah. You know what I'm saying, man? But yeah, we at the gas station with it. You know what I'm saying? Something smooth. As y'all see, I just want to show y'all, let y'all hear the back. Just listen, though. She be chopping. And she really just be chopping, bro. You know what I'm saying? But she look good, though. I just watched her today. You know what I'm saying? Look quick. Why y'all see how nasty she look with the white? Y'all let me know how y'all like the white side marker too, though, bro. Y'all can't tell me y'all the white side marker, y'all ain't rocking with it. Can't tell me y'all ain't rocking with it, cuz. Come on, man. So y'all ain't rocking with it. Look at that. But yeah, she looking mean though. Scarlett looking mean, man. What y'all want to see next? On low key. Oh, look at them boys. Them boy go Christmas fire truck. We'll go Christmas fire truck, huh? Yeah, what y'all boy want to see next, man? I want some emblem, bro, but I want the other emblems like, they like this, but without the black. I want the like just the chrome that you can see the paint behind it. You feel like the newer one or the white ones, the silver one. But it's hard to find the right size. Everybody got the wrong sizes. The two little bitty ones. Nobody want that, man. Yeah, cuz. To give y'all boy quick little videos. I'm gonna rip it one more time so y'all boy can hear that whine. Hold on. That bitch so loud now you can't even hear the whine no more. That bitch, I'm gonna get out of here, man. That bitch loud, dog. You can't even hear the whine no more. Well, you can, but I'm talking about like with the exhaust popping out the roof. You can't hear the whine for real. I hope y'all heard it though. I heard a little bit of it, but I heard more exhaust. That must sound so good, not though. That must sound crazy. Sound too crazy, girl. Let me put my seatbelt on, man. Ooh. My bad, man. Let me get right. Girl. Wish I'd have caught some action, man. See a nigga wanna get right. Y'all boy wanna see me do a pull? Y'all boy wanna see me do a little dead, bro. Ooh, Impala SS. The 98 one, 94 one, I mean. Alright, y'all boy, let's see. Second gear. That must be shifting so hard, bro. That bitch gotta have a transmission tune or something, but that hard. That bitch gotta have a transmission tune or something, bro. Oh, dang, that's them boy. Ooh, I wasn't speeding, though. That was a good part. I was just tapping the gas, but still. That was definitely them boys. And I ain't talking about the boys in the black and blue. I'm talking about the boys in that gray and blue with that orange trim trickle on the side of that bitch. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That boy still going on, man. A lot of action. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Whole lot of action. Action as in like seeing them. That's the action. Not me. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? So slight, man. But yeah. That's gonna be a wrap too though. I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all boys outside of the wheel. At the gas station, you feel me? Under the gas station lighting, man, with the slit, not the slit, you know what I'm saying, the radial on the back, you feel me? Man, I'm back in that mode, man, back in that grind. I gotta give y'all boys a lot of time, cause I ain't been giving y'all none past 2 weeks. That's my apologies. I've been working, man. Nigga gotta make it cheese, man. See, now, you know what I'm saying, when we get what we need to get on YouTube, bro, it's a lot different. I can show y'all boy a lot more love. I can travel. Start meeting folk, you know what I'm saying? Niggas that out the state, you know what I'm saying? Nigga in state too, but out the state. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, let me know where y'all boy be at. What, Florida, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, you know what I'm saying? South Carolina, Tennessee. You feel me? Like, what's up, cuz? Up north, where y'all boy at? Got a few Michigan boys? Anybody? You know what I'm saying? Detroit? It's the same thing. But you know, Detroit, Chicago, you know what I'm saying? Maryland. Anyway, man. My boy just let me know. Cali photo, but let me know. Anyway, man. That gonna be boy, your van, are you gonna stop, dog? I know y'all probably can't really see him. Cause the tent so dog, but I'm just like, nigga, I ain't even go. My light green, solid green. Oh, boy, that police car scared the hell out of me, boy. Good lord. That nigga turned that bill on as soon as off, and he looked like he just knew. Nigga said, I sent some fast shit. But anyway, man, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for tonight's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bells so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I always say, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst. And everything that you do, man, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up. Stay blessed out here in these streets. But also, man, like I also say in my video, man, I'm out of here. Like yesterday, peace.